Today we'll be showing you how to connect your smart device to your garage door opener. Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton and today I'm here with my good friend Roger Bartholomew. This is part 3 of 3 to show you how to install your garage door opener. So Roger, give us a rundown of how we're going to actually connect the garage door opener to your Wi-Fi so you can use it for any smart device.
We're going to connect to the app, and this is going to allow you to monitor when your garage door is open or closed and how to remotely control your garage door opener. To set up your smartphone app, you'll need your smartphone, your Wi-Fi password, and a strong Wi-Fi connection. The time it'll take to set up your app will be approximately 10 minutes.
Let's get started.
Go to your app store and find the MyQ app. Download that, open it up, and you're presented with a bunch of options. Select the top option that's going to be your garage Wi-Fi setup, and you're presented with a checklist of the 3 things you need: access to your garage door opener, a strong Wi-Fi signal, and your Wi-Fi password. Hit next and you're going to select the photo that best represents your garage door opener button. Go over to your garage door opener and hit learn. Now at this point we had to troubleshoot because we ran into issues to where it said we were supposed to hear a beep, but we didn't hear a beep. We decided to hit the learn button again to see if anything would change, and it didn't. If you have a similar situation, if you just hit next in the app and you say that you didn't hear a beep, you are then taken through a very easy, straightforward troubleshoot section that's very simple to follow. Go over to the garage door motor, unplug it, plug it back in, and hit next. Push the yellow learn button 3 times in a row and the blue light should start to blink. You should have heard a beep, hit next, and turn on your GPS. At this point, it should have found your device, and go ahead and select your device in order to connect to it. Next, find your Wi-Fi and enter the password. After you have entered your password correctly, it's going to connect back to the device, load everything up, and you can now name whatever you want your MyQ garage door opener to be named. Finish up by hitting next and make sure you hit finish as well. It'll give you a little warning. Go ahead and hit OK and test out your garage door opener by hitting open and closed, also looking at the status of what the garage is while you're looking at your app. Do know that if the garage door is currently closed and you just tap to open it, it opens it very quickly. However, if your garage door is currently open and you want it to close quickly, what'll actually happen is you'll tap close and it'll actually blink for a little bit and give a warning. This is a safety precaution and notifies anyone who may be around the area that the garage door is about to close. Do know though that the sensors will still work and everything's still fine just like a normal garage door, so if there's anything that blocks its path, it should open back up again.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked what you just watched, consider subscribing by clicking on this icon right here. Also, if you want to see other videos just like this one, go ahead and click on this link right up here. Be sure to go check out the full video from hardware setup all the way to app install on controlling your garage door wirelessly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.